Hello everyone, myself Rahul Mengde. Welcome to channel MSBT SPPU by Rahul sir. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for latest videos. In this video, I am going to cover how to interface LCD and 4x4 matrix keyboard with 895 microcontroller and how to write an embedded C program for the same. And also, I am going to show you the simulation of the circuit diagram. So you can observe on the screen the simulation circuit diagram and the program is displayed. So let us see the one by one. First we will see the connection. So the 4x4 matrix keyboard is connected to port P1. As you can observe here, the 4x4 matrix keyboard is connected to port P1. Then data lines of LCD are connected to port 0 and control lines RS, RW and enable. These control lines are connected to port 2. So these are the connections. Let us see the program. So special function register declaration, then define data to port 0. That means the data name is given to port 0. Then some user defined functions are required, so that functions are declared here. So LCD init, then LCD command in LCD display, then key scan and delay underscore ms. So these are the user defined functions. Then RS, RW and enable, these are control pins and single bit data type is used because these are single pins. So RS is connected to port 2 pin number 5, RW is connected to port 2 pin number 6, enable is connected to port 2 pin number 7. Then some characters are declared R, C and PH. Then matrix keyboard character initialization is done. Then main function. So here FF value is passed to P1 because this port P1 is input port, because the keyboard 4x4 matrix keyboard is connected to port 1. That means port 1 is input port, that's why FF value is passed to port 1. Then data, this is output port. To make output port 0 0 value is passed to data, that means P0. P0 port is output port, so the data lines are connected to P0. Then function call, so LCD underscore init function is called, so program will go to that particular function LCD underscore initialization. So LCD initialization function is written, so program will come here, then it will execute first LCD underscore command in bracket 0x38. Okay, so in this function one more function is called, that is LCD command function. So different commands are passed from this function. So 38 is passed for 2 lines and 5/7 matrix display. So the program will goes to that function LCD CMD. So LCD CMD, that means program will come here, it will execute this program. So the data is equal to CMND, that means we have passed 0x38 value, that's why the 38 value is passed to data, that means from port 0 38 value is passed to LCD, right? Then RS is equal to 0 and RW is equal to 0. why RS is equal to 0? Because command register is selected, then RW is equal to 0 because we have to write to LCD, that's why RW is equal to 0. Then enable 1, then again some delay is called, 10 milliseconds of delay, then enable 0. High to low transition is required to latch the data on LCD, correct? Then here again one more function is called in LCD command function, delay function. So program will goes to delay function. Here it will execute the program and it will create 10 millisecond of delay. Again program will come here, it will make enable is equal to 0. Then program will come here, delay underscore ms in bracket 10. Okay, then again delay function is called, so 10 millisecond of delay generated, that means this function is executed. Again program will come here, then 0e value is passed from command function. So why 0? Because to turn on the display and cursor blinking, 0e this command is passed. Then again 10 millisecond of delay generated, again 06 value is passed to shift the cursor to right, then again delay is generated, then again 01 value is passed to clear the screen, and again delay underscore ms 10, that means 10 millisecond of delay generated, right? And again program will come here, that means LCD initialization is done, and again delay underscore ms 100 millisecond of delay generated, and again 80 value is passed to force the cursor to beginning of the first line, right? For that 80 value is passed, right? Then infinite loop, so infinite loop is used. Then again key scan, one more user defined function is called, so the program will come here and it will execute this function, right? So first we are making P1 is equal to 0x0f, correct? While P1 is equal to 0x0f, if P1 is equal to 0x0e, that means row 0 is selected, right? You have to check the rows and columns, correct? So the P1 is equal to 0x0e, then row 0 is selected. Else if P1 is equal to 0x0d, that means row 1 is selected. If P1 is equal to 0b, then row 2, and if P1 is equal to 07, row 3, right? Then to check the column, make P1 is equal to F0. While P1 is equal to F0, first condition, if P1 is equal to E0, then column 0 is selected. Else if P1 is equal to 0x d0, that means column 1 is selected or detected. Then if P1 is equal to B0, column 2 is selected. If P1 is equal to 70, column 3 is selected, and then 20 millisecond of delay generated by using this function, correct? That means we will get the row and column, value of row and column. Depending on the value of row and column, the program will detect the pressed key, Okay, then again 5 milliseconds of delay is generated. Then ch is equal to key of r and c, right? That means it assign the key value to ch. So this is one character data type, right? That means key value is assigned to ch. Then 5 milliseconds of delay is generated, and then one more function is called LCD underscore display. So ch value or the key is passed through this function, right? So LCD underscore display, then 100 milliseconds of delay is generated, and to clear the screen 01 command is passed to this function LCD underscore cmd, correct? So this is an embedded C program to interface LCD and keyboard with controller. So let us see the simulation of the circuit. To upload the hex file, double click on the IC and open the folder and select the hex file and click on open, right? Then run the simulation. So 0 first key, second key 1, then 2, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, so to create the hex file, press F7 or build target file. You can observe the errors and warnings also. Thank you.